Hello Tribal Makers, this is Michalle Malev and welcome to my channel. In today's Tuesday combo, we're going to start our prenatal series. We're going to learn a beginner fusion belly dance combination. It's 4 phrases, 32 counts, a fun follow along dance tutorial. Come and play with me, learn some new skills, polish your previous ones. This specific combination can be used as a warm-up, so you don't have to warm up before we start this practice. Do make sure that you have a glass of water nearby and that you're feeling comfortable and safe during the practice. If you are interested in getting deeper into prenatal belly dance, I will put the link in the description box below to my prenatal belly dance training programs. You will learn all you need to know on how to build practices, combinations, and dances for yourself and others. I would like to say a quick thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Thank you guys, and let's begin with the practice. We begin the first 8 counts in a cabaret stance. So looking from the side, I begin with hip distance apart, and from here on the midline, in the middle of the hip distance apart, I'm taking one leg, putting it to the front. This is going to be my front leg and my leading leg. The base leg, the one on the back, is slightly bent. The foot is spread on the floor. I'm very stable. I'm making sure that I'm not overarching my back, that I'm not over tilting or over tucking my hips here, and I'm slightly tilting the pelvis inwards, elongating the lower back, elongating the spine, elongating the back of my neck, and I'm going back to the front here. And from here, we're going to go down twice. We're going to bend downwards on every 4 counts. So on the count of 1, 2, we're going downwards. We're crossing our hands in front of our body as if we're collecting water with our hands, and we're spraying them up on 2 counts, opening our chest here. And you can go as low as you're feeling comfortable. What's important here is the mobility of the upper back. So if you have a big belly and you can't really go downwards too much, it's okay to keep the movement here. Just collect and open your chest here. You don't have to go all the way down. If you're also feeling a little bit of unstable because the center of gravity has changed with everything going on in here, you can put your foot down on the floor. You don't have to lift your heel up. You can also increase the gap between your legs a little bit to get a little bit more stability. From the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, as you're opening your arms to the side, I would like you to overextend, to go into extension in the upper part of your back. What do I mean by that? You're not allowing the hips to go backwards. You're not doing this. You're in control of your lower back and you're opening your chest. You're growing from here. You're allowing the pectoral muscles to spread. The upper back is working here, and you're really feeling this soft stretch for the spine, to your back, to your shoulders. And we're growing, we're pregnant, so everything is heavier here. So reminding our body to open up in the beginning of the practice is really important. Even if you're not pregnant, still open up this area in your body and be in control of the lower part of your body. And by that I mean you're not getting into an arch in the lower back here. So again, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Same thing to the other side. From here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. That's the first phrase. Let's continue to the next one. On the next 8 counts, we continue working with our arms. So we're finished when we're extending our chest upwards, and on the first 2 counts of the second phrase, we're relaxing this extension, allowing our arms to relax on 1, 2. So again, we had from here, we have 1, 2, and we're doing a small swan arm here. We're allowing the elbow and the wrist to lead the movement for 2 counts, elongating the neck here and relaxing our chest after this beautiful extension and this lovely stretch that we had in our upper part of the body. From here, we're going to take one arm to the side and we're going to twist the upper part of our body on the count of 3, 4. So we have 3, 4. Really extend the arm here. Feel this lovely stretch, this lovely squeeze in the spine when you're taking your arms to the side here on 3, 4. On 5, 6, we're going to turn the palm of the hand up the further arm here. On 5, 6, we're going backwards, and on 7, 8, we're relaxing the whole thing with another swan arm. So again, we had swan arm, 1, 2, going to the side, 3, 4, opening here the arm to the side, and again going into the swan arm, relaxing the whole thing. So to the other side, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and really enjoy the movement here. Feel the movement in your shoulder when you're rotating here. Feel the movement in the chest, in the upper back. You're twisting here. Make sure that the lower part of the body is relaxed, so everything is happening in your spine. This squeezing, this twisting motion that we're doing here in the upper back when we're taking our arms to the side and opening our chest again is wonderful for the longevity of our spine, and extremely important to pay attention on when you're pregnant. Now, I'm not saying that you should explore new range of movement, no, but do maintain the range of movement that you already have. Play with it. I'm not saying that you need to make a very sharp movement here. You shouldn't. It should be soft, gentle stretch to the spine. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Now let's do both phrases on both sides. We'll start with this side. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, going down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Same thing to the other side. So we're switching our feet here in a cabaret stand. Make sure that you're in control of the lower back. You're not getting into a very big lordosis. The lower part of the back will react to it. The lower part of the spine will react to whatever is going on the upper part, but you're not allowing it to go into extreme. You're in control here, and you're giving complete freedom to the upper part of the body. So again, on the other side, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's continue. On the next phrase, we're going to take the front leg and stretch it to the side in a diagonal. At the same time, one arm is going up, the opposite arm is going up, and the lower arm is going down here. So we have, from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're giving ourselves a very nice stretch here to the side. Make sure you're not collapsing downwards. You're in control. It's a beautiful stretch to the side of your body here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to lift the lower arm up, and we're going to do a cross turn. So we're taking the leg that is on to the side here, crossing it in front on 5, and on 6, 7, 8, we're turning. Let's look at what the feet are doing, and we're going to look at it from the side. We're taking the leg, one leg is going to be in a diagonal, so this one I'm going to cross in front of me here, and we're going to get into a turn. So on the 5, 6, 7, 8, let's do it also to the front. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. As you're getting into the turn, make sure that when you're crossing your leg, that you're feeling secure here. This will determine how easy the turn is going to be and how stable it's going to be. So when you're crossing, make sure you put the ball of the foot down, the whole ball on the foot, and that you have enough space to go into your turn here. If you're feeling a little bit unsecure with your turning, it makes complete sense, because as we're growing and as we're progressing with our pregnancy, the center of gravity is changing, and sometimes it makes our turns a little bit unstable. So if you're feeling uncomfortable with it, you can simply go into this lovely stretch that we're doing to the side here on 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5, 6, 7, 8, simply take your arm up and close your leg on 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also very majestic and very elegant movement. So do what feels comfortable at the moment. You need to be stable, you need to feel secure in your movement. If something feels not quite right, do something else instead. There are so many variations and so many modifications that you can practice. So let's repeat the phrase on both sides. We'll start with this one. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Same thing to the other side. So from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, I lost my balance a little bit because of the carpet. It happens a lot lately, but this is one of the things that we do when we practice. We learn how to regain our control and our stability, and also how to improvise. So if something like this happens to you, maybe you would like to move into a more stable space. And also it's good for us because it forces our muscles to regain control and prevent injuries and fall later on. But since I do want us to make this turn beautifully without this shakiness inside of it, let's do it again to this side. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stabilize. 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the 3 phrases to both sides. So we start from the beginning, take a deep breath, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do the same thing to the other side. So from here, I'm going to move a little bit because for some kind of reason there is a little bump here in the carpet and I get always stuck inside of it. So let's hope that this time will be a little bit more stable. So from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's continue. On the 4th phrase, we're stepping out of the turn and into our basic dance posture. So we've turned on the count of 5, 6, 7, 8, and I want you to stabilize yourself. Make sure that both feet are on the floor, evenly spread, that there's bend in your knees, that the pelvis is tilted inwards, that you're elongating the spine, the back of the neck, the shoulders are relaxed, the arms are up, and we're going to shimmy for the next 7 counts because on the count of 1 we're stabilizing ourselves. So we ended up here and we're going into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to take our arms down in a second. Now shimmy is when we're bending and straightening our legs alternatively, and then slowly going faster and faster and faster. It depends on how fast you want to go. Now as you're doing your shimmy, make sure you're not overarching your back, that you're in control. The movement is in your knees and it will become smaller the faster you're going. Make sure that you're balancing the weight on your feet. You can take it a little bit backwards actually, and this way you will feel more vibrationing happening in your head, and that the spine is long, that you're breathing comfortably here. And if you're feeling that your shimmy is stuck, you can move a little bit from one side to the other. That's usually helping the shimmy. So from here, we're going also to take our arms down on the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to flip our hands here, and we have 2, 3, 4, and on the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're opening our arms to the side, lifting one leg up and preparing ourselves to get into the cabaret stand and to do the whole combination on the other side. So let's layer the whole thing together. From here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And then we start the whole thing again to the beginning. So we're going down into our first phrase here. Let's do the same thing to the other side. So this time we're going to lift this leg at the count of 8. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also make sure that you're maintaining the cabaret stand. What do I mean by that? The foot is going slightly inwards here. You're not in your basic dance posture. You're not going to just lift your heel here. You're also moving your foot a little bit here. if you're feeling comfortable. If you're not feeling comfortable, then you can actually do the whole combination with both feet on the floor. And that's it. Now let's do the full combination on both sides using all 4 phrases. So we start with a cabaret stand. And from here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 2, 3, 4. Turn. 6, 7, 8. Shimmy. 2, 3, 4. Open and other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Now let's play with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side going down. 2, 3, 4. Be in control of your spine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 2, 3, 4. Cross and turn. Shimmy. Again, down. Open, twist, open, stretch, smile. And don't forget to breathe here. Down and down. Open, twist, open your arms. Stretch, turn, shimmy, relax here, open, breathe, breathe, small arm, twist, open, and relax. Great job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed the practice. If you did, give me a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join the tribe. I upload new Tuesday combos on Tuesdays, so you're more than welcome to check out previous tutorials. I will continue to upload new prenatal belly dance tutorials for you to enjoy, to practice. If you are interested in diving a little bit deeper into the world of prenatal belly dance, I'm putting a link in the description box below to my online course on prenatal belly dance. You're more than welcome to check it out. I'll see you next week. And remember, life is too short. Enjoy it. Bye!